Ayubowan. Sri Lanka exported total of around $78 million of fruits to the world in 2010 at a growth rate of around 5% since 2006. Sri Lanka also exported around $28 million of vegetables in 2010 with a growth rate of around 36% since 2006. Sri Lanka mainly exports fruit and vegetables to the Middle East and Asia. For example, over 60% of vegetables exported from Sri Lanka are destined to UAE, Saudi Arabia, Maldives and India. Sri Lankan fruits are exported mainly to UAE, India and Maldives, and these countries account for 55% of the total exports. From EU perspective, the major horticulture produce for exports is in tropical fruit category, with pineapple being the lead producer for exports. Pineapple also account for around 30% of the fruit export category from Sri Lanka, out of which nearly 60% is exported to EU countries. EU offers huge opportunities for tropical fruits like mango, pineapple, avocado and bananas. Western states member of EU offers better opportunities for these fruits due to high consumption. Suppliers for developing countries like Sri Lanka that want for offer added value such as Eurogap, occupational safety, fair trade have enhanced opportunities and enjoy more profits. EU buyers such as supermarket chains are increasingly buying tropical fruits directly from producers. This may provide prospects for longer term contracts and fixed prices for those that can meet the demand but is threat for other exports and middlemen. The market for fresh pineapple grew rapidly from 2003 to 2007 in all EU countries, although growth slowly down from 2006 to 2007. Germany, Italy and the UK are the largest markets, while the new EU members offer good prospects for the future. Since 2003, EU imports of pineapple almost doubled in volume and the value increasingly by 46%. Pineapple is a common product in EU consumer market. There is an extensive trade in pineapple within the EU, with a few EU countries acting as a suppliers. Belgium and the Netherlands are the leading importers and distributors in the EU through the harbours of Antwerp and Rotterdam. Supermarkets are the main outlets for pineapples, but they are also sold by greengrocers, street markets or hotels and catering outlets. The supply of pineapple to large supermarkets is highly concentrated. They are supplied by large agro multinationals. Aside from these companies, many importers are active in trading pineapples. Developing countries are the sole suppliers of pineapples. Costa Rica and other Latin American countries have strong positions, while imports from African countries are in decline with exception for Ghana. EDB strives to keep Sri Lanka exporters updated on all the latest market insights. Don't miss out on signing up for our export alerting service and make sure you sign up for our periodical market opportunity briefings for the fruit and vegetable sector. Don't hesitate to contact us at www.srilankabusiness.com.